Well, my favorite pastime is scrolling down the Facebook, undoubtedly. And I'm very much sure that many of us love using Facebook, or at least if we love, we don't love, we have the application in our phone, right? So whether we anytime thought that what is the source of their income or how do they earn money, how Facebook earns money. So my entire video is about how Facebook earns money, and you won't believe the fact that as per 2017 report, Facebook has claimed that they have earned $40 billion. Yes, you heard me right, $40 billion in the year of 2017, and 89% of the traffic, 89% of the revenue came from the digital advertisement. So I will here tell you the main two platforms through which the Facebook earns money. First is through the advertisement, the second is through the video platforms. Before that, what is important to know, that do you guys have ever wondered that how come you get so many advertisements when you have not liked the related topics or related videos? Yes, the reason behind this is Facebook has allowed, or you can say in other words, Facebook has sold its database to many companies like Netflix, Amazon, Spotify. Such big companies have the data of Facebook users. Yes, you heard me exactly right. They have sold the privacy. So there have been many cases, or there have been many the investigations going under this, and Facebook is undoubtedly modifying its privacy structure also, you can say. So let us just understand how does Facebook earn money through advertisement. California based newspaper has commented on this fact that Facebook generally sells the data to the advertisers, and they sell it in the form of custom demographic bucket. What is custom demographic bucket now? It is basically categorization of the data on the basis of caste, religion, then you can say on the basis of the sexual orientation, etc. So what happens, advertiser take the data what they want as per their branding goal. Yes, you heard me right. So all these things, this is the way exactly how Facebook earns money through the advertisement platform. Now let's talk about the video platform. So what happens is, we have seen in past few years that Facebook has introduced features of Facebook live video. Now in past few years, what happened is the watch time of Facebook videos has increased tremendously. Yes, you heard me right again, it increased tremendously. So what happens is, they are first of all earning money because of this thing. The second thing, they have introduced a feature in the Messenger stating that, for example, while you type some message, you will be getting a chat box, or you will be getting any advertisement. So you have an option to chat in that advertisement. For example, you are using Messenger and you are getting advertisement of some particular brand, you can say a fashion brand or some other brand. You are getting advertisement, and if you are liking the gift and if you want to buy it, you can directly through Messenger chat to the seller of that particular product. Yes, you heard me right. This is one of the features which many of us are not aware of, and this is there. So they mainly earn through mainly two things. First thing is through the advertisement, second thing is through the videos. In videos, there are two categorizations again. First is the watch time, which has gradually increased over here, and the second part is through the Messenger advertisement. So here I have shared the main two streams which Facebook's generally use to generate money. So I, Ditu Datta, will be meeting you every day with some new advice, suggestions, and new trending topics. So keep watching my video, keep liking, sharing my video, and do not forget to comment on the below link if you have any queries regarding the same, or if you have any financial queries, please give a missed call to our financial toll-free number, which is 02261816111. It's just a matter of one missed call. Our money doctors will call you right back to clarify all your financial doubts. Thank you.